Hi, I'm Victoria Sharp, and I am so excited to be announcing that I am coming back to Costa Rica. More specifically, I am going back to Anamaya, and I am just so thrilled to be part of the Anamaya team. If you have been thinking about coming to a yoga retreat, let's talk about what you can expect to be experiencing if you were to join me in Costa Rica at Anamaya. First off, Anamaya itself is such a beautiful resort. You can be expecting to see beautiful views from every direction, every room. The yoga decks are absolutely fabulous. Ocean view in the morning, in the evening, you get to hear the sounds of the jungle. The experience is honestly, it's just out of this world. I absolutely love it there. Also, some unique things about Anamaya. First off, the meals. Oh my goodness, the food is so good. It's farm to table and they take such good care of you. You will not feel like you are underfed at all, and your bodies will feel really good with everything that you are going to be putting into it. The awesome thing that I love about these retreats at Anamaya is that they are extremely customizable. So if you are looking to just come and chill and relax, you can absolutely do that. If you want to add in some spa services, world-class spa services that they have there, you can go for massage, facial, the list goes on. There's also so many excursions that you can go on. Last time I was there, I took a surf lesson, hiked to a waterfall, went to the beach. There's hikes, and there's so many more things that you could take advantage of if you have more of that adventure side. And of course, there is classes. So let's talk about what you would be experiencing for your classes. So you'll have the morning practice each day, which is more of a vinyasa style based. I will be giving lots of different options. So if you are more of a beginner or haven't practiced in a while, you can feel really comfortable coming to my classes. As well as if you're a seasoned practitioner, I will have lots of options and variations for you as well. Each evening, we will end our day with a yin or restorative practice just to bring you back down into that calm, relaxed state if you've had a really excitable day, or to help set you up for a restful evening and a peaceful sleep. I will also be offering 3 different workshops, and these workshops are going to be mobility specific. And we are going to be talking about 3 different areas: your hips, your spine, and your shoulders. I call these the big 3, because everybody seems to have one or the other that seems to be a little bit of a focus in their life. Whether you are recovering from an injury or you're just looking to get stronger and more flexible within your body, and more specifically within your joints, mobility really is the key and the answer that I'm going to help to give to you. So in each of these workshops, we'll be going through a variety of different types of movements and postures and drills and skills that you can then take home and practice and help rehab your body, and to help maybe relieve some pain if you're experiencing any types of pain, and just to give you the all-around feeling of movement for longevity so that you can continue to move for many years to come. I am so excited to be joining the Anamaya team, and I'm so excited just to be back in Costa Rica. So if you have any questions about the retreat or the classes, please feel free to reach out to me, and I would be happy to answer any of the questions for you. With that being said, I hope to see you there.